Hi, folks. It's time for another It's the Market. It is the end of July, and we are looking at June's data. Before we get into that, I just wanted to encourage you to connect with us. You can follow us on Instagram, you can like us on Facebook, or you can go to thereinateam.com and register, or send your friends and family there to register to look at homes. We'd love to connect with anyone that you connect with. So let's go ahead and get on. I think we are going to be talking about some really good stuff. If you're a buyer, these numbers are going to blow you away. So let's get started. All right, Lakeland Winter Haven, which is Polk County, new listings, 1,780 new listings for the month of June compared to last year. We are looking at 40% more listings coming out on the market. So we may see some better times for buyers, fewer, and we've been talking about this for a while. Once the interest rates hit around 5% or so, we were going to see a lot of people dropping off, and that's exactly what's happening, and we're starting to see the results from that. So month supply is still pretty short, 1.3, but that's 85% better than it was last year at this time. Days to contract, again, still pretty quick, 7 days. Not a whole lot of travel up or down there. Median home values have gone up to $346,000 in Lakeland Winter Haven, which is up 32.9%. That is still a lot. And so, if you have a real reason to buy, get it done now before the home prices jump even further. Kissimmee, Orlando, which is Orange and Osceola counties, new listings is 4,351. That's up 10.5%. Month supply is 1.1 months, so a little over a month. That's up 37.5%, still floating at around 7 days to contract. That's not higher or lower than it was last year at this time. And median home values have gone up to $431,000, which is up 22.8%. All right, Tampa Bay, which is Hillsborough and Pinellas counties and some of the surrounding areas. New listings, 5,717. That is up 9.5%. Month supply is 1 month, and that is up 42.9%, almost 43%. 6 days to contract, which is up 20% for Tampa Bay. And median sales price is up to $413,000, a little bit more than $413,000, and that is up 28.4%. So let's take a look at Northport, Sarasota, Bradenton, which is actually Sarasota and Manatee counties. You are looking at new listings 2,033. That's up 17.2%. Month supply is 1.2. That's up 71.4% from last year to this year. Median days to contract is 6 days. That's not moving at this point. So you still have to get in there and get in there quick. Median sales price is $522,000, almost $523,000, and that is up 29.5%. So, before we get into this, real quick, join our private Facebook group, Things to Do in Florida with the Reina team. You can find a whole bunch of really great information on new restaurants, upcoming events, things to do all over the state of Florida. If you, just want to have some family fun and not really sure what you want to do or where you want to go, check out some of the stuff that Jessica puts on the Facebook group. It's a private group, so when you get in there, just ask to join, and we'll let you in. And if you want to share some events that you know about, make sure that they're family friendly, and we'll put them in for you as well. As far as what we've seen, the numbers are looking really promising. If you're a buyer, you're going to see less competition. You're going to see more homes staying on the market longer. You're going to see more price drops in the next few months. You're probably going to see a lot fewer multi-offers or multi-biddings. You're going to see things calming down on the buyer side quite a bit. I think it's probably the only negative at this point is if you weren't in the market when the market was super, super hot, while it was still ramping up before the home prices went all the way up, you probably lost out a little bit. But I want you to think about something. Home values are not going up because of the situation that they went up in the 2000s. Those were bad loans. Those were, there was just a lot of stuff going on there. People were paying interest only. There was balloon payments, and the whole thing was just messed up. This is completely the opposite of this. So you're probably going to see the values. They may jump around a little bit, but they're going to stay up simply because this is just where the market is. I don't think we're going to see a crash. I don't think the market's going to pivot. And I definitely don't think if you're looking for a super hot deal, if you're looking to save $100,000 like you did back in 2008, 9, and 10, it's just not going to happen. You're looking for a unicorn if that's what you're waiting for. Again, I keep telling you guys this over and over again. Go by your motivation. If you have a reason to buy a house, now's a great time to buy a house. Last year was a great time to buy a house. The year before was a great time to buy a house. If you have a motivation, do what you got to do. Don't worry about so much all of the other nuances because the market will shift. You never know when the market's going to shift, and you never know how you're going to be able to predict it. So you guys have a great day. Have a great rest of the month, which is only a few days away. And I will see you in August for the next It's the Market.